The sunset from this place or from this height is just magical. You can visit this place, look at the mount there, Mount Kilimanjaro.
I like what I'm seeing. Just to summarize it all.
Morning, everyone. Morning once again. Time is moving fast. Yeah, that means it is a good day. Yeah, if you can remember my name, well and good. If you cannot, call me JiPOS. Yeah, JiPOS is one interesting software. First of all, locally built in Kenya, locally supported. Of course, by Kenyans, and widely used in Kenya. And now we are finding our footprints across the Africa. Latest client being from West Africa, that is Nigeria. No, Ghana. Yeah, Ghana. Yeah, so that means we have got presence around East Africa, and now we're trying to widen the net. Yeah, so we are glad that Amboseli Safari Club is joining the team. We call it JiPOS Tribe. And we are glad to meet you guys. We have been anticipating this day. And here it is. Yeah, yeah. So it is good to start right. And just as I was having a conversation with you, when we start things or operations right with the system, then it becomes easy going forward. I believe you have been using systems here and there. You look experienced. I like it, and it's going to make the training session very easy. The questions will come, and we will answer them, all of them. Yeah, one thing we'll guarantee you, there is no question in hospitality that we have never tackled. Yeah, so rest assured, at the end of this training session, we are going to answer all your questions. So I believe here we have got the team going to handle inventory and purchases. The team going to handle things to do with sales in the bar areas and restaurant. Yeah. And also we're going to look at the finance bit, the accounting. Yes. And we're going to work with you in most of these departments so that you understand how the accounts are attached based on operations from these different departments. One thing you are going to appreciate about JiPOS is the automation that we have done from the reception to the bar to all these service points, and how now they affect the accounts. Yeah, and how it's simple to extract your accounting reports at the end of the day. Yeah, so the system is quite unified, if I have to use that term, or integrated, in that we have captured all these operational points into one single system. And at the end of the day, anything that we do, especially these transactions, they affect our accounts. Yeah, because at the end of the day, after doing all these operations, you have to know where do we stand. Yeah, so we are here today. I think we'll cover the most of these features today. Then tomorrow is just FAQs. In every setup, yeah, which are standard operating procedures. Like in most of the setups, like in hospitality, is quite, there is no big difference, but you'll appreciate that each and every organization has their way of working. Yeah, if I live here, I go to another hotel, I would find there is a different way they work. But at the end of the day, there is a standard way. Yeah, so looking at those SOPs, we are going to, I believe there are SOPs here, but if not, we will be able to show you how the system can be able to help you align your SOPs. Yeah, that is one of the interesting things about JiPOS as well. Where there is no structure, it can still help you to align your structure. But where there is an existing structure, now it falls into that structure. Yeah, and then one thing that Regan will tell you over and over and again is that the system is written in English. You just read and understand. Actually, you will give me the same review that we always get in the hotels that we visit, that the system is easy to use. That one I'm dead sure. Yeah, so it is easy to use. You'll just read. When you want to make a purchase, just read. You know where to put a supplier, how much, what item, yeah, save, proceed. Yeah, payment, select a payment mode, how much has been paid, proceed. Yeah, straightforward. We have got, we can create a WhatsApp group where we share those quick questions. We'll be able to answer you. But even if we take time to delay to answer, there is what we call ChatGPT. Tuko hapo. Unauliza tu ChatGPT, how do I do this? It will guide you. Yeah. So apart from ChatGPT, the system, I know you cannot see it from here, but there is what we call support docs just within the system. Yeah, you can access materials, video explanations on how to do purchase, how to do a sale, how to reconcile a sale, how to do a room booking, how to adjust a guest profile, everything is there on YouTube, as well as on what we call knowledge base. If you just type knowledgebase.jipos.co, you will be there. And also we have just a PDF that maybe if you want to just save it on your desktop just for later on, just referring, we call it a manual. All that is there. So even if you want just to refresh your mind at night when you just settled, maybe the day has been a bit busy, you just want to know something, you will still get materials there to guide you. Yeah, that is why even if we leave, we know you're good. We are all excited, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, then thank you so much. Let's get this started.
I'm going to take you through the system, and I was just trying to argue within myself which direction or mode should I take. Now that at least we have got almost all the departments, maybe except one or two, who are not represented here, but yeah. So what I just decided to do is that I'm going to show you everything so that we know how the system works. Yes. So with pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. That one I'll tell you because that is not going to be used moving forward. Yeah. So just see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once I log in, this will be my interface, the immediate interface for this particular person who wants to make a sale. I've registered also 2 selling points for this particular demo. And the first one being the bar main. I'm just calling this the main bar. That will be changed later, and I'm also calling the one at the bottom or down, first floor, the main restaurant. Yeah. So I'm going to use that for this particular piloting. So once I log in, that is what I can see. And Jared mentioned something that I'll still mention, that system is written in English. So normally when you do training, we advise that you don't cram the steps. You just read to understand. It is easy. You just read to understand. Just filter for me the hot drinks based on the categorization or category. If I do that, it should just filter me that particular data. Or if I just come here and search for the item name, it should just get me that. Now, I said these particular devices do not have the physical keyboard that I'm using here, but they normally have keyboards which are embedded. Of course, like just your phone. If you use your phone, there is no like this hard keyboard, but there's just a keyboard that pops up whenever. It's the same thing. So these ones, they just have their own keyboard embedded there. Good evening or good afternoon. First session done. Things covered, sales. Second, part of inventory. And they are all good.
How are the students?
The students are bright and they are fast learners. Yes. And I do love the students because they are all experienced. And when you are dealing with an experienced team, the training becomes interesting. Right now we're headed to the second session. We're just taking a short minutes break, just a 10 minutes break. And when we get back into that particular room, we are going to handle the rest of the inventory. And what I mean by inventory is requisition, movement by cost, stock take and reconciliation, and procurement. So on that, there's one more thing that you'll have to add to summarize this by the end of the day, and that is accounting. Cannot get done without that. Coming in for long stays, and they'll want to maybe take some drinks or take some extra food outside their normal package and request to pay later or in between. Yeah, so that is how you're going to ensure that that particular order that has been made in the system is attached to their reservation. Upon checkout, the person who is at the checkout desk should be able to see that without having to call anyone. I like what I'm seeing. Just to summarize it all. The ambience, you can see that for yourself. I don't even have to mention it. It's all here. You have got Hulu Hills on that other side, though covered by the clouds. And on this other side, this is Amboseli National Park. Oh, be right behind me. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's hidden behind this block. So if you go to the other balcony, you can now see the peak of Mount Kilimanjaro. So the ambience speaks for itself. About this place, you can see all the rooms suspended, unique design. Yeah. So the intention of that particular design, as you have been made aware, is for fast security, so that at least you feel safe. And oh, I can spot a giraffe from afar. Yeah.
No, I mean the category. Soft drinks. So let me just select the soft drinks. So I go with the particular item that we have been using. So after selecting the category, you must check this button, the check box, then add instance.
All done for the second session, and what you handled is what I just mentioned in our first episode of this, and that is the accounting, the procurement, the reports, all done. Yeah, so we're just breaking off for the day, awaiting tomorrow, and tomorrow we are summarizing this with HR components and of course the accommodation, because the accommodation team is still not ready, but they'll be ready by tomorrow morning, and we'll get done with that. Have some walk around, at least try to spot other giraffes, zebras, gazelles. These grazers, seeing them is very easy. So the wildebeest and all those things. As we, of course, we must visit Mount Kilimanjaro. We have to climb it to some extent. We can't go back to Nairobi without doing that. It is in the bucket list for the day. That will be the last thing you're doing before we get to break for Christmas.
The sunset from this place or from this height is just magical. Yeah, if you can visit this place. Look at the mount there, Mount Kilimanjaro, at a distance. Currently covered by the clouds, but once it clears, I tell you, Manze, it's just another experience. Life feels good here on this other planet, on this other part of the planet.
I don't know what makes you happy, but what makes me happy is the automation that JiPOS has done for this particular type of business or in this particular industry. That makes me happy. It has been made easy, and we only make it easy through automation. We have automated most of the processes for mid-size, small, mid-size, or even 5-star or huge hotels or large hotels like these ones. That's what makes you happy, using technical solution to bring simple solutions. That is in terms of business operations. Makes me happy. It is JiPOS, my friend.
The session has been interesting, captivating, and yeah, we learned a lot today into details, and it's good because we've covered a lot of, a lot of modules. That means we have reduced the load also for tomorrow. JiPOS makes me happy, man. So JiPOS makes me happy. As a support officer, I think it has been my year also for growth, because I have met a lot of people, interacted with a lot of people. So, and I think along the year, I've been a student of the game. Yeah, so, and what a day, man, to close for 2025, as we're expecting much better also from 2026. So, don't have much to say, just keep it JiPOS, yeah, and we'll be interacting a lot also from next year.
Guys, this is done. Done and dusted. Day one. I think we have covered enough. Tomorrow ni kupitia tu. Yeah, so I've summarized it and everything is good. No questions. One statement for sure from all of them. All of them. JiPOS is easy to use. Always. Always I expect that. Yeah, so we have been invited for dinner. We want to test the dinner of Amboseli. Yeah, already we tested the breakfast. To skip lunch leo. Job has been interesting anyway. Yeah, we didn't even have time for lunch. But we are going for dinner and we'll review. But of course, from the aesthetics, from the ambience, what else do you expect? Yeah, so on for tomorrow, covering housekeeping, room reservation, and then just questions and answers. And then off, back to Nairobi. We are summarizing the year in style, of course, with Amboseli Safari Club, the biggest in the region, powered now by JiPOS, hotel ERP system. What's the password? 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, you're good. So what do you want? I can serve you right now. Thai tradition, no mukimo.